guys, so today I'll be untwisting my twist out. I use One and Only Argon Oil treatment to lubricate my hands and my fingers before taking out my twist out. So the first thing I did was tie my hair up into a high ponytail just to get everything out of the way so that I can go through each individual twist one by one. Twist being smaller and having to go through each individual one and separate each twist one by one, I ended up palm rolling my twist in the opposite direction and then separating it just to cut, a few seconds off of the whole untwisting process. Once I took out all of my twists, I used my wide tooth comb to pick out my hair from the roots just to give it more volume. And if you notice, like some of the hair in the front of my head, it has like an elongated curl pattern. That's because I damaged my hair from, too much heat for my leave outs, and that's the only spot I use for heat when I do my leave outs. Here I separated my hair in the front just so I can have like a curly side front bang, and I use shine and jam on my edges to pretty much pull it into a nice sleek ponytail. So what I did was go around the side of my hair from the front all the way around to the back just so I can put it up into a nice sleek perfect ponytail, and I used a black scrunchie just to secure that ponytail. And here I'm just picking it out a little bit more for volume. I used the Got To Be Glued gel in the small black tube, and my edge brush, which is pretty much like a toothbrush on one side and a mini comb on the other. And I pretty much just swooped to blend it into the rest of my ponytail, and I swooped the bottom part of my edges pretty much down to have like a little curly, swoopy curl. So right here I was looking in the mirror, I was having a WTF moment because it wasn't where I wanted it to be, and it took it a while to get there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.